Good morning, viewers. I am Venugopal, HOD of Commerce, Department of Commerce, Vidhyalakshmi Metric Higher Secondary School. So, my dear viewers and my dear students, today we are going to discuss the subject Accountancy, Standard 12th, and chapter name is Accounts Concept of Basic Fundamental Partnership Accounts. So, what is mean by partnership? Then what are the features? Then what are the methods? How to prepare? Then how to use the accounts in the partnership firm? The methods and procedures, formula, journal entries. Then the methods for our interest on drawing, interest on capital and distribution of profit or loss and profit and loss appropriation account. Theory part today we are going to discuss. Next class based on the formula we will do the sums. Okay, right. Listen my dear. So, the chapter unit 3 then accounts of partnership firm fundamental. Next slide. What is mean by partnership firm? When two or more persons join together to form a business. When two or more persons join together to form a business, to share the profit or loss, then artisans were arising, then form in an agreed ratio based on agreed for their proportion of capital. For example, one pastor they are ready to share the amount of 70,000, another partner 30,000 means the agreed ratio 7:3. Then one partner is 40,000, another partner is 60,000 means the ratio is 4:6. So, based on agreed ratio very clearly given. So, the relationship among them it is called partnership firm. Okay. So, here the business may be carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So, what is mean by carried on by all? All partners together they are do the business, otherwise any one partner he take and do the business. So, this is the mean by partnership. So, next topic, definition. According to section A 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, very clearly given the definition, the relations between the person who have agreed to share, who have for the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So, this is the definition given by Partnership Act 1932. Next. Then features of partnership. So, what are the features are there? While you have started business, the firm based on partnership firm, what are the features are there? So, here individually they are called partners, collectively they are called firm. Right. So, the first feature, partnership is an association of two or more persons, minimum 2, maximum the banking point of view 10 members, non-banking point of view 20 members. So, minimum 2 members join together, the association they start the business, that is the first one. Then second one, the agreement. So, agreement there should be, agreement is an oral or writing, but in future both the partners they will get any drawbacks or any misunderstanding point of view, we can use writing, it is very useful to you the based on that articles of partnership. Right. Next. Third one is the name is to agreement, the partnership must be carry on a business and share the profit. So, the agreement must be carried on a business. How much based on agreed ratio they are doing the business, based on the agreed ratio they are sharing the profit both the partners. The next one, carried by all, any of them acting for all, we discussed already. So, any one partner or both the partners join together they do the business point of view. Then next one, it is a document in writing that contains the term is agreement among the partners. So, what is mean by partnership deed? So, deed based on 2 more members join together, registration of the Partnership Act 1932 section 4, which partner they are decided two registered with writing, that is mean by agreement among the partners. It is also called partnership deed or articles of partnership. But generally it is not compulsory, it is optional. Partnership business, no need to register, it is an optional. But if you are registered compulsory, they can use the rules and regulation, follow the Partnership Act 1932 section 4. So it is an survey the evidence point of view. The next one, see the sample of partnership deed. Just I read the partnership. See here the partnership deed. This deed of partnership is made on which date, which month, which year, that is important. For example, if you take today, the date is 16, then month is December and year is 2023. So between the first partner name, for example, first partner name A, then the father of, then Suresh, and next write the address for the particular first partner. So address, for example, if you take Eldams Road, 73, Chennai, the pin code also 635001. Then second partner, the first partner, the second partner name B, then the father of Ramesh, then the residence address will take, then Tenampet, then 46, then Chennai. This is the address point of view, that is the second partner. If a third partner also there, write the partner name C, the father of Ranganayagan. So we will take here the address for the address means, if you take the, for example, he is living in Vellore means, take the Vellore address also. So based on address, then the fourth partner is there, we can write the same way. This is a partnership agreement used in the bond paper. They are using the partnership deed. In future, they won't get the confusion or misunderstanding point of view. Right. The next one, application of the provision if there is no partnership. There is no partnership agreement is there. What will happen in the business? The first one, based on remuneration to partners. Based on remuneration to partner. If there is no partnership, there is no remuneration sharing to the partners. No one can receive remuneration salary in the partnership firm in the absence of partnership deed. And second one, interest on capital, there is no profit, so there is no interest on capital also. So no partnership, based on no partnership deed, there is no interest on capital provided or given to the partners. Third one, interest on loan. Interest on loan, it is possible only maximum 6% of interest alone. How much interest loan? But you have to pay here the 6% interest on loan. The last one, interest on drawing. So interest on drawings. So the partners, the two partners in the business பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. So they need money in their personal use. They withdraw money from the bank. Bankல இருந்து withdraw பண்ண போறாங்க. அது partnership firm ஓட பணம் தான். So அவங்க withdraw பண்ணி personal யூஸ் பண்றப்போ அவங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா interest on drawing pay பண்ணணும். ஆனா இங்க partnership deed இல்லாத காரணம் no need to pay the interest on drawing. So these are all the drawbacks for the application of the provision. If there is no partnership, there is no remuneration, there is no profit sharing, there is no interest on capital. The interest on loan alone only 6% maximum. Interest on drawing, there is no interest on drawing also. Then methods of maintaining the capital of account in the partnership. So if the two partners join together, what are the accounts? They are maintaining the record of books. Here the two type of capital methods are there. The first one is fixed method capital, another one is fluctuating capital method. So while you are fixed capital method, we are preparing two ledgers are there. One is capital account, we entered only for the opening capital, additional capital, any one partner permanently settle the amount point of view, withdrew the amount point of view, we can use. These transactions alone, we enter the entry in our capital account for the method of fixed capital account. And the next one, current account except opening capital, additional capital, permanent withdrawal money. Remaining all transactions, the adjusting entry entered in the current account. So fixed capital method, we have to prepare two ledgers are there. One is capital account, another one is current account. And fluctuating method, we can use all the entries, all the name of the account, we entered only one ledger, that is meant by fluctuating capital account. Right. Next. See the formula, the ledger formula. What are the entries we entered in the particular debit side, credit side? See the formula here, the format of partnership capital method. Then you can open the ledger, left hand side 4 column and right hand side 4 column. Then left hand side corner you can write DR, right hand side corner you can write the name of CR. And first of all, while you are opening the ledger, the first entry goes to balance BD, the opening capital of the partner. See, the amount will be appear in your credit side by balance CD amount. In between, any partner additional entity is there, but instead of additional capital, you write the name cash or bank. So, by cash or bank account data, write the value, within bracket we can write the interest on capital, additional capital out. The next one, you move to the debit side. Any one partner permanently withdrew means settle the amount point of view, use the cash and bank amount, and finally find out the balance CD. Then these amount transfer to next year opening for our BD point of view in our capital account. Next. Format of current account. Format of partners current account. So here you will see here also, first we can move to credit side, write the balance BD for a current account balance. So see in your credit side, here also the same format, left hand side 4 column and right hand side 4 column, write the date, both the side corner, left hand side corner DR, right hand side corner CR, in middle you can write the name of the particular account name. Here account name is current account, partners current account, and write the column date particulars AB, date particulars AB. First we will take the name of by balance BD. So write the value here by balance BD in A amount, A current account balance and B current account balance. And the next one we can write interest on capital, based on capital, end of the year how much they getting the benefits, the business point of view interest, that you have to mention here. Interest on capital, முதல் மீது வட்டி அப்படிம்பாங்க, அவங்க போட்ட முதலுக்கு business அவங்களுக்கு வட்டி கொடுக்குது, because they are also creditor of the partnership. என்னதான் முதல் போட்டு தொழில் தொடங்கினாலும் as a business point of view, the partners also called creditor of the firm. So அந்த point of view தான் business அவங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கொடுக்குது அவங்க போட்ட முதலுக்கு, அதான் முதல் மீது வட்டி அப்படிம்பாங்க தமிழ், சரிங்களா? ஸோ இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் கேபிட்டல் ஏ பி ரெண்டுலேயும் அவங்களுக்கு என்ன வருதோ இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் அந்த அமௌண்ட்டை எடுத்து எழுதிடுது. அந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பை சேலரி, இதில் ஒரு பார்ட்னர் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருந்தால் ஒரு பார்ட்னர் சேலரி வரும், ரெண்டு பார்ட்னருமே ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தால் ரெண்டு பார்ட்னருக்கு உண்டான சேலரி வரும். ஜென்ரலாக நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதில் நம்ம டிரான்சாக்ஷன் எல்லாத்துலேயுமே ஒன் பார்ட்னர் ரிசீவிங் சேலரி, அனதர் பார்ட்னர் ரிசீவிங் கமிஷன், அந்த மாதிரி தான் எல்லா கொஷினுமே இருக்கும். ஸோ சேலரி ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஏ ரிசீவ் பண்ணியிருந்தா ஏ காலத்தில் அமௌண்ட் எழுதுவோம், பி காலம் டேஷ் போட்டுருவோம். கமிஷன் பி ரிசீவ் பண்ணால் ஏ காலம் டேஷ் போட்டு பி காலத்தில் கமிஷன் அமௌண்ட் எடுத்து எழுதுவோம். தென் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் லாஸ்ட் ஒன், த ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் எண்ட் ஆஃப் த பிஸ்னஸ் வில் ஷோ த அமௌண்ட் ஃபார் த போத் த பார்ட்னர்ஸ் வேல்யூ ஆஃப் ஏ அண்ட் பி. அண்ட் மூவ் ஆன் டு டெபிட் சைட், யூ கேன் ரைட் த நேம் ஃபார் சம் டைம் த கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட் பேலன்ஸ் BD means that is a profit, we are having cash balance, but the amount will be appear in debit side mean for us loss. So based on that amount will be appear in your debit side, write the name of two balance BD, A and B, any amount is there we can show the amount. Then after drawings, the end of the year or in between or the first month second month, they withdraw some personal use for the drawings amount, we have to mention A and B the drawing amount. Then after they have to pay the interest on drawing amount also. Then the any loss, that is the profit and loss appropriation, share of loss, any loss is there, that amount also will be appear in the column of A and B. Finally find out the answer for our balance CD. So first we have to enter all the entry, you check it both the side, ரெண்டு பக்கமும் செக் பண்ணுறப்போ எந்த சைடு எக்ஸஸாக வேல்யூ இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்கணும், டெபிட் சைடா அல்லது கிரெடிட் சைடா. பட் நார்மலி வில் ஷோன் ஆன் கிரெடிட் சைடு, எப்பயுமே நார்மலாக கிரெடிட் சைடில் தான் எக்ஸஸாக இருக்கும், அதை நம்ம டெபிட் சைட் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணி டெபிட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அட்ஜஸ்டிங் வேல்யூஸை லெஸ் பண்ணால் கிடைக்கிற ஆன்சர் தான் க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸ் சிடி, அதை ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் டு நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ் பிடி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நாம் எடுத்து இங்கே எழுதிடும். சரியா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபார்மேட் ஆஃப் ஃபிக்ஸட் கேபிட்டல் மெத்தட். ஸோ ஃபிக்ஸட் கேபிட்டல் மெத்தடில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட், அதோட ஓப்பனிங் கேபிட்டல், அடிஷ்னல் கேபிட்டல், பெர்மனன்ட் பார்ட்னர், செட்டில்டு அமௌண்ட் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூவில் நமக்கு வரும். ரெண்டாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பார்ட்னர்ஸ் ஆர் கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட். கரண்ட் மெத்தட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதில் நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? எக்ஸப்ட் கேபிட்டல் ரிமைனிங் ஆல் என்ட்ரிஸ் வில் பி அப்பியர் இன் த டெபிட் சைட் அண்ட் கிரெடிட் சைட் த நேம் ஆஃப் த அக்கௌண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஃப்ளக்சுவேட்டிங் கேபிட்டல் இன்க்ளூடிங் கேபிட்டல், தட்ஸ் இட். ஸோ நம்ம ரெண்டையும் அங்கே பிரித்து பார்த்தோம். இங்கே அந்த கேபிட்டலையும் கொண்டு வந்து இங்கேயே எழுதிடுறோம். பெர்மனெண்ட்டாக விட்ரா பண்ணால் அந்த அமௌண்ட்டையும் எழுத போகிறோம், அடிஷ்னல் கேபிட்டல் வந்தால் அந்த அமௌண்ட்டையும் இங்கேயே எழுத போகிறோம். சரி, அதுதான் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் பிட்வீன் ஃபிக்ஸட் கேபிட்டல் அண்ட் ஃப்ளக்சுவேட்டிங் கேபிட்டல். ஸோ ஹியர் ஆல்சோ we can use in middle, write the name of partners capital account. Both the corner we can write DR and CR and write the column create date particulars A and B, and credits are also date particulars A and B. So based on that, see the first we will move on credit side and write the name by balance BD, partners capital value first எழுதுறோம். அடுத்தது அடிஷனல் கேபிட்டல் வந்திருந்தா அந்த இன்ட்ரடியூஸ்ட் அடிஷனல் கேபிட்டல் ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் எழுத போகிறோம். இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் கேபிட்டல் வந்திருந்தா ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் அந்த கேபிட்டல் வச்சு கண்டுபிடிச்சி அந்த ஆன்சர் இங்கே எழுத போகிறோம். தென் ஆஃப்டர் salary, any one partner is receiving, we can write the name in the particular column. Another one column is we put dash. Then commission also, any one partner get one column you put the amount, another column you put the dash. Then after find out the share of profit is there, we can write the amount. Then now we will move on debit side. Here also sometimes the cash balance withdrawn amount permanently, any partner withdrawing, we can show the amount. Otherwise this column will not appear. Then the drawings, so they withdraw the money, that amount will be shown. Then after interest on drawing, they have to pay. Interest on drawing amount will be shown. Any loss amount is there, that amount also will be shown. So after we entered all the entries, we check it both the side, which side excess values are there. Generally credit side excess values are there, transferred to debit side. Debit side what are the adjusting values are there, we can deduct all the value, finally find out the answer to balance CD. These amount transferred to next month opening by balance BD. Right. So this is the method for our fixed capital and current capital. Fixed capital and fluctuating. Then what are the differences between fixed capital and fluctuating capital? See the first one, change in capital usually remain same, will not change in our fixed capital method. But here fluctuating capital, every year after year the amount will be changed. Okay. Then second point, number of account. So in our fixed capital we prepare two accounts is there, one is capital account, another one is current account. But the fluctuating capital we used only one account, the name of partners capital account. And third one, adjustment of different items. All adjustment entered into the partner's current account, but here all adjustment entered into the partner's capital account. And fourth one, balance. Fixed capital system always shows credit balance, but fluctuating capital system sometimes will be shown debit side, sometimes will be shown credit side. Then next calculation of interest on drawing. While you are find out the interest on capital, what is the formula for interest on capital? First we will take the end of the closing capital, after that add drawings, any drawing is there you can write the drawings amount, after that less any profit or any additional capital during the year, so that we can deduct it. Finally find out the answer is the capital of the beginning, capital at the beginning. So this is the formula format statement name of interest on capital. Now we will see the journal entry next. So what is the journal entry for providing interest on drawing? So interest on drawings will take here the journal entry, drawings account debtor to interest on drawing account. So drawings account debtor to interest on drawing, this is the opening. Now close the entry, interest on drawings account debtor to profit and loss account. Interest on drawings account debtor to profit and loss account. இது இந்த ஜேர்னல் பார்த்துருக்கோம். அடுத்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will take profit and loss appropriation account. ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அப்ரோப்ரியேஷன் அக்கௌண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன சார் இங்கேன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, பொதுவாகவே நம்ம ஃபைனல் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் என்ன பார்த்தோம், ட்ரேடிங் அக்கௌண்ட், ப்ராஃபிட் அக்கௌண்ட், பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட் போடுவோம். ஆனால் பார்ட்னர்ஷிப் ஃபேம் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நம்ம ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸுக்கு பதிலாக இங்கே நம்ம போட போகிறது ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அப்ரோப்ரியேஷன் அக்கௌண்ட் சொல்ல போகிறோம். ஸோ இந்த ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அப்ரோப்ரியேஷனில் என்னென்ன வேல்யூஸ் இருக்கும் சார், என்னென்ன நேம் ஆஃப் த அக்கௌண்ட் அப்பியர் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இன் மிடில் ரைட் த நேம் ஆஃப் ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அப்ரோப்ரியேஷன் அக்கௌண்ட், தென் த கார்னர் left hand corner you can write dr, right hand corner you can write the cr. In write the name, first will be shown in a adjusted profit and loss amount. Write the value first in credit side by profit and loss adjusted value amount. After that, interest on partners drawing amount will be shown, only 2. Then we will move on debit side, interest on partners capital, then partners salary, partners commission or any partners loss is there will be shown the amount. Finally, we find out the always will be add the value in credit side excess value, transfer to debit side and deduct from the debit side value. Find out the answer is the partners capital account. Based on agreed ratio, we share the amount to the partners. We share the amount to the partners. Then next one, the salary commission while you are adjusted. Salary commission while you are adjusted with the partners. Then what is the journal entry? Now we will see the journal entry here. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Write the name of journal entry. Then the name, the debit side we can write partner salary account debtor, partners commission account debtor. We can add both the amount, transfer to credit side, partners capital or current account. If you are using fluctuating method, we can use capital. If you are using fixed capital, instead of that we can write the name of current. This is the transfer entry for the salary and commission, profit and loss account debtor to partner salary to partners commission. This is the closing entry for our partner salary and commission. Okay. Then thank you my dear student and my dear viewers. Today we have discussed the chapter 3, the basic concept of partnership firm. So what is mean by partnership firm, and what are the features and what are the methods we are discussed. Then after that, fixed capital, fluctuating capital, distinguish between fixed and fluctuating. Then what is the formula for interest on capital, interest on drawing and profit and loss appropriation with adjusting entry. So next class we will see based on the formula and sums, we will do the sums point of view. Thank you very much. If you like the video, so like him and share to others and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.
It's enough today. I will meet you with an interesting video in the next class. If you have any doubt, we will discuss later. Thank you. Bye bye.